10 easiest way to earn money online. You could start earning money to simply click on advertisement by visiting website. 35 plus best way to make money online, updated 2021. Ways to make money online without a website. Publish kindly book. Email marketing. Freelancing on site like Upwork. Buy and sell website. Sell website designing template, buy and sell domain name. Sell stock photo and footage. 7 way to up your income online. Looking for proof way to make money online. Taking online survey is an easy way to earn a little extra cash. How to make money online for beginner. How to make money without investment. How to make money online for free. How to earn online without paying anything. 10 easiest way to make money online. One great way to making some extra cash is to sell the item up your home for clothing. 20 idea to make money online. Providing coding or fixing other website issue. In other great way to earn extra. 30 proven way to make money fast. Some are easiest than other, but nearly all required very little to own capital. 14 easiest way to make extra money at home. Become a virtual. On simply way to make money for home is to help other complete task as a virtual. Earn money online. How to earn online. Please wait for please wait or you many follow these steps. 10 ways to make money online to total beginner. Freelancing, writing, selling your old stuff, coaching, writing a book, affiliate marketing. How to earn money online. How to earn money online. 10 ways to make money online. This process they ask you to apply by filling a simple form. How to make money online. 21 ways to start earning more money. Luckily, in the age of the internet, making extra money on your own package online is easy if you know where you look. 25 ways to make money online and offline. How to make money online and offline. Sell your gentle used clothes. Trend, trend in old photo. 36 creative way to make $100 a day. How to make money fast. Teach anything online to kids. Get paid to play. Taking survey online is a easy on beginner way to make extra cash. 12 free way to easy earn money for internet without any investment. Here I am sharing how to earn money online which are easy to use and lit. At the same time few of them will require you to have 44 way to make money at home any age skill level. Best way to make money for home at an age selling digital products is a great way to earn passive. Easy way to kids to make money at home. 11 really ways to make money online in 2021. Here are 11 ways to earn money at home. To make money online easy, we look at top 10 easy way to can make money online right now. But here is how Here is how you can still earn money without worrying about balancing a job and schoolwork. 35 way 35 really ways to actually make money online. Have you ever read an article on how to make money online that end up ended up start making without your own online start to 10 simply step every want to make money online? I know I do, and I am sure you do too. It's most people dream to find a way to work. 21 plus featured way to make money online fast 2021 startup blog the right way. So how do you get started? It's simple. When you first start your side income journey. 10 easiest way on how to make money online is 2021. Size hustle 35 way to make money fast to the side. Our top 10 side hustle for home ideas. 35 easiest way to earn money online without investment. On way one easy way to earn online is taking online survey. Easy way to earn. 12 best website to make online. Personal finances. If you want to earn extra cash, earn the these make money making website. Online earning 9 great work for home. Discover 9 great way to make money for home. Flexible work from home position offer many 10 way to student to earn money. An easy way to earn a bit of cash is the babysit, and all you have to do this you can register a website. 70 plus way to 70 plus way how to make money online 2021. How do you avoid like easy way to make to start first with the top 10 way to make money online. Make money fast. 87 easiest way to make $100